Dalawang 9-time PBA champion na si Alex the Crunchman Cabagnot naglaro na rin sa MPBL with his former Beerman teammate Arwin the Spider-Man Santos. Napaka-solid ng lineup ng Viva Basilan, puro veterano. Ganda ng presence ni Arwin Santos sa paint, on point pa rin ng mga 3-point shooting. May offensive firepower pa rin si Cabagnot, nagpamalas din ng chemistry kay Arwin. Ganda rin ng mga setup plays para sa kanyang team. Kaya subscribe now at i-like and share mo na rin ang ating video para maging updated ka. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanilang laban.
Who's asking for it? Aluseni now with Jervy, shoots and scores. Is that Coach Rob Labagala?
Assistant, yeah.
And Rich Alvarez.
Rich Alvarez.
Jervy Cruz. Naglalaro pa doon.
Oo.
Here's Jeff Biernes, binigay kay Jervy Cruz sa ilalim. Aluseni for two. Daniete launches the three. It's good.
Right.
Nag-gumalaw si Alday.
Nabanggit mo, no, yung aggressiveness ni Eric Camson.
Pingoy. Tolentino fires and scores. Pingoy gets it back, launches the three. It's good.
What a
Pingoy drop pass to Serrano. Taken away by Basilan. Eman
pass.
Calo on the move, and Eman Calo finishes. Alex trying to find Arwin. Tolentino comes up with the steal. Tolentino lays it on a plate para kay Kanya.
pass. Pero turnover ngayon, na-force nila Cañete with a start to of Liberty.
Jeff Biernes waits for Jervy Cruz. Inside,
Good
there's a
pass.
mismatch to Raba Aluseni. Goes baseline, Kaduyak to Arwin for three. It's good.
Only one-on-one coverage on the post.
Santos attacks. Layup is good.
Improving.
Valiero, Keanu. Alday, nasa gilid. Shot fake. Alwin for three. Good.
When was the last time Basilan got an offensive rebound? Felt like
Oh,
yesterday.
Santos, 5 seconds. Ball poked away. Navarro has to fire. Three ball is good.
Aluseni
And Cruz.
and Cruz.
Balagtas for three. Good. Ano yan? Lalo na dito sa liga natin. Alex Cabagnot overnight. Oh, grabe yun. Pingoy, three is good. Roll Coco Pingoy. Navarro to
Good pass.
Cabagnot. Three, yes. Out just a long two. Rebound.
It's been pretty much one and done on the offense.
Oh.
One and
9. Cabagnot to Calo. Cruz on the extra pass. Good. Naive. Pingoy. Shot fake. Balik kay Naive. Launches the three. It's good. Basilan. Kaduyak. Viernes. Download to Aluseni. Hoson
pass.
cuts and scores.
oh, nakatingin lang naman ako sa'yo pero hindi mo ibig sabihin na ikaw yun. What a drive by Mahari.
To the corner. Viernes. Pili. Well defended. Mahari leans in for the deuce.
Looking to add more to their 7-0 run. Good look by Viernes.
Inside. Mahari.
Corners open.
Balagtas.
Oh my gosh.
2 points.
Good pass.
Balagtas. Pili. Three. Good.
And that's a
DJ Perez and the Marcelino twins. Here's Cabagnot. Umatake. And he uses his strength there.
cannot happen. If you're gonna help, you cannot be half-hearted. Because
To thank LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. Viernes launches a three.
off left
Short. Santos with the putback. With Hoson. Kaduya.
corner.
Cabagnot to Santos for two. Kaduyak attacks. Layup is good. A good sign again at the way they fought
Right.
near the end.